Hey guys, welcome back to another online lesson. This one is lesson 4.7 and we're going to divide by fractions. Now this is similar to what we did yesterday where we took whole numbers divided by fractions. This time we're going to mix in some fractions divided by fractions. So make sure you have your note sheet ready. Now obviously due to technical difficulties I don't have the screen going, but it'll follow right along right with your notes. So the first part says when you're going to divide by fractions, really you just multiply by the reciprocal. So you keep the first fraction, you switch the division to multiplication, and then the last fraction, you find the reciprocal, multiply across, simplify, and you're good. Now that's a lot of steps, but let me show you. It's not that complicated. So here's the first example. It is 1/2 divided by 1/3. So I'm going to keep the 1/2. I'm going to switch the division to multiplication. And now I'm going to put the reciprocal of 1/3, which is just 3 over 1. Remember with the reciprocal, you just flip it around. Now we just multiply as if it was a regular multiplication problem. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. So we're left with 3 over 2. And I know that that is equivalent to 1 and 1/2. Okay. Keep it, switch it, flip it. Let's try it here. 8/9 divided by 4. Well, I'm just going to rewrite it so it says 8/9 divided by 4 over 1. Because remember, 4 is just 4 over 1. Keep it, switch it, flip it. So I'm going to keep it at 8/9, switch it to multiplication, and I'm going to flip it, not 4 over 1, but 1 over 4. Excellent. Now I'm looking and I'm going to simplify before I multiply. So I see 4 and I see 8. I know 4 can go into 4 one time, and I know 4 can go into 8 two times. 1 and 9, nothing you could really do there. 2 times 1 is 2. 9 times 1 is 9. I look, that can't be simplified any further, so my answer is 2/9. Let's try a couple more. So here I have 5/6 divided by 1/3. Keep the 5/6. Switch division to multiplication, and give me the reciprocal, which is 3 over 1. Now I'm looking, is there a way that I can simplify before I multiply? Well, I see 5 and 1. Nothing really can go into either of those besides 1. Ooh, 3 and 6. I think 3 can go into both of those. So I have 3, I have 6. 3 can go into 3 one time. 3 can go into 6 two times. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. Improper fraction. Again, looking at this, mental math, you could probably figure out what the mixed number would be. But if you can't look at it and recognize, 5 will go on the inside, 2 will go on the outside. And how many times 2 go into 5? 2 times. So my whole number is going to be 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract, we are at 1. My remainder, 1. What I'm dividing by is my denominator. So my answer is 2 and 1/2. One more practice problem, then if you flip your note sheet over, you'll have a few practice problems to solve. 12/13 divided by 4. Well, I'm just going to rewrite 12/13 divided by 4 over 1. Because, of course, the whole number is over 1, just the same thing. 12/13 we're going to keep. Division, we're going to change to multiplication. 4 over 1, the reciprocal is 1 over 4. So let's look to see if we can simplify. 13 and 1, only 1 can go into those. 4 and 12, ooh, yeah, 4 can go into both of those. 4 goes into 4 one time. 4 goes into 12 3 times. So I am left with 3 times 1 is 3. 13 times 1 is 13. And my answer is 3/13. A few practice problems for you to solve on your own. Flip the paper over, try your best, and we'll see you in class.